Hello friends, today we will see what is use of data type. So in any programming language, we have data type. If you have worked in C, C++, and we are learning Python. So what is significance of this data type? For example, if you want to process some data, okay, for example, if you want to process age of a person, so if you want to process the age of that person, so you have to use, you are giving that value to some program, and that program is processing that value. For example, for processing that value we are going to use Python programming language. So you and I know that age is a number, but for any programming language, they don't know what is meant by this number and all that. So there we should need some technical term. So this technical term is specified by the data type. So in Python we have primitive and non-primitive data types. Primitive, those are basic data types, and non-primitive, those are built on top of this uh, primitive data types. Okay, so these primitive data types are basic data types, and on top of that these are non-primitive data types are built. So what are these primitive data types? So in Python we have integer, float, str, boolean. These are the primitive data types we have. And in non-primitive data types we have various types of data structures like list, tuple, dictionary. So first we will see what is meant by these primitive data types and how to use these primitive data types. So from next session I will start to explain how to use these primitive data types. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.